If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Netflix account, follow these steps to regain access and ensure your account security. Step 1. Access the Netflix login page. Go to the Netflix website or open the Netflix app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to open your account settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down to the Security section. Here, you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose to reset authentication. In the two-factor authentication settings, look for the option to reset or disable the feature. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and reset your authentication method. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After resetting, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication again. Follow the instructions to link a new phone number or authentication app, ensuring your account remains secure. Once you've completed these steps, you will have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Netflix. Remember to keep your recovery options updated for future access.